high-tech industry's revolution occurs in the Silicon Valley of hardware, Shenzhen, where the JLCPCB story starts. Monthly, 6 million square meters of PCBs are manufactured in our 5 factories for the worldwide engineers and their dreams of hardware development. We are cloud-based factories for manufacturing, and we're the first PCB company realizing online quoting, ordering, tracking, and fully automatic manufacturing management. Customers take 3 minutes to order online. Then order data will be transmitted and changed into production instructions. From ordering, production to delivery, every step is visible and trackable. Automation and intelligent systems are applied to every process in our factories. Automatic lamination workshop, smart drilling workshop, advanced dust-free workshop, automatic plating workshop. With the system developed by a team of hundreds of IT engineers, we finish all processes in the most efficient way. Smart and automatic programs are also widely used in quality testing workshops. We can detect every error and delay in time to ensure quality and production stability. We hold the highest standards for production quality, and this makes our complaint rate lower than 0.2%. We are always exploring new possibilities for production efficiency. A multi-factory working network and smart management system not only improves productivity and stability, but also shorten lead times. 24-hour PCB quick turnaround and 12-hour SMT assembly. Now, we are building more SMT assembly production lines for larger assembly volume. We are expanding factory space for an increasing PCB requirement of 800,000 customers. We are trying to reduce delivery times, 2 to 3 days to USA, 3 to 4 days to Europe, to keep delivering PCBs to your door, whatever may be happening around the world. Our PCB products thrive on innovation. They contribute to IoT, electronic instrumentation, power supplies, aerospace technology, consumer electronics, automotive applications, and security products. We promise to stand with every engineer to help you accelerate your hardware development and more easily to turn your ideas into real, high-quality products.